The labs have kind of helped me to connect the academics with the real world.
The slow fashion lab at IEU has changed my academic experience by introducing me to not only working with just students and professors, but working with real entrepreneurs and people who have started businesses. My favorite memorable moments was working with a fifth-year student, which made me realize that no matter what time or what grade that you're in at IE, we can all come together and perform the same, if not collaborate together to create better alternatives.
It was really great because we had a lot of freedom on the type of project that we wanted to do. We came up with a solution which is actually used by the company, and from what I heard should continue and being improved in the following years.
For me, the best part about the behavioral lab is the contact you get with the companies. These are top companies in their sector, behavioral science. You have BOA, Novanta, CDRE to name a few. And of course the contact you get with them and the chance to work in consulting projects at such a young age.
Don't like to differentiate between labs and academic experience too much. I think they're complementary. I think you have to personalize your experience with the labs, and that's going to really give you an extra boost in your academic journey.
So the labs influenced my academic experience. I'm only a BBA student, but we had intro to programming, and it was a way to apply my technical knowledge, especially since I want to specialize later on in the tech industry. It was a perfect way to put those to practice and deal with real life companies.